someone to save me. No,
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me hide this end because the nails are dropping off. I kind of want them to go because I want to do them over again. But today we're going to do we're still in the season fall slash autumn-ish. There's no ish to it. We're still in that season, so I'm going to do a brown smoky eye look that I saw while going through my Google photos today, and I sent it to my girl and she was like, yes, you should do that, because you know those are the things that I like. This is the look, you guys, that I'm going to do. It's done by my girl Nina, so that's the look that I'm going for. Let's see how I do it, so stay tuned. So for that look, you guys, I'm going to use this Jacqueline L volume 2 palette. I'm going to use just the black in this palette, guys. The palette is a mess because one of my babies got to it first. It's never been used, but they destroyed it. And this Tartelette Party palette here. So these are the two palettes that I'll be using to create that look, you guys. So stay tuned and watch me do the two. So guys, to prime my lid properly, I am going to use because it's semi-primed. I don't know if you guys know what I mean, but when I was doing my brows, I drew the thing down to my lid. So I just use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Warm Honey. It's done, you guys. So I use that and I'm spreading the product now all over. So guys, the look we're going for is a matte black smoky eye look. You guys, I bought this skincare product on the Sephora website, you guys, and honestly, look at this spot. It's removing it. It's literally fading. I know it looks crazy, you guys, but the only thing I'm doing, guys, I'm just packing the product on. I am not blending yet. I am just packing the shadow on first. The brush that I just used, guys, is the NYX number 12 brush, and now I'm going in with the Moda crease brush to blend this out. I am just blending out the edges, you guys. Been telling y'all that blending is the key. Now I'm going back, guys, with the LaRousse 205 tapered blending brush, and it has a little orange shade on it. But I'm going to go into my Tartelette palette, and I'm going to take this orange shade right here, and I'm going to use it to blend out the edges, you guys. So you guys, I am just blending it in a windshield wiper motion. I think I am loving it, guys. I'm just blending it, and I'm going up under my brow bone a little bit, blending it all over, but then I'm just gonna focus it on blending out the edges down here. But every once in a while I blend up under my brow bone, you guys. See, and it's taking me forever to blend, so I'm gonna blend off camera. But yeah, I'm not gonna add anything. Before I add anything, I'll come on camera to do the addition. Now you guys, I am going to use a clean brush. So I'm using this Mange tapered blending brush number 6. I hope this is how the brand pronounce its name, because yo. So I'm just gonna use it to blend out the product and blend it more up in my brow bone. So this brush, guys, has absolutely nothing on it. Like whatever is on it now is what I got from off of my face, but it was absolutely clean, you guys. And I'm just blending up into my brow bone. Did y'all realize I do not hold my brush like so? I hold it at the end, and I am just brushing lightly, guys. No pressure is added. I am just doing it lightly blending it out. So you guys, I'm going to add some more of that orangey shade because I'm trying to get it as close to Minna as possible. Like, y'all see the orangey like right at the outer corner of her eyes, like right out here. It's kind of orangey. So I am trying to get that look, you guys. So I'm just gonna add some more of the orangey shade. You know, like something like so. And blend it. I'm not blending it all the way into the crease, you guys. I am focusing it on my outer V type of thing, you know. Blending it halfway there. I didn't watch the video. I don't know if I watched the video with that look, you guys, but I love it. So I'm trying to recreate it. So guys, I think this looks good enough. I'm going to pop my lashes on and I will be right back. By the way, I'm wearing these I'm going to wear these matte black lashes. Bring the salon home kiss lashes, you guys. So I'm gonna pop them on and I will be right back. So here are the lashes on, you guys. I'm going to prime the face and we'll do the rest of the face. So to prime my face, you guys, I'm using the e.l.f. Moisture Lock Primer, and I'm just putting a little bit on because I don't need much. And I'm just going to rub it into the skin, you guys. So you guys, to do my face, I am using my two favorite foundation, which is the Complexion Pro, the She Glam foundation, and the NARS Soft Matte. And as per usual, I'm just going to take some of both, just a little bit of both on the back of my hand and mix it with the brush. And the shades of the foundation, guys. The She Glam is Mahogany and the NARS is Marquises. See that? See that match, guys? So I'm using my Juvia's Place foundation brush to blend it in. The She Glam, you guys, is full coverage. Mark my word, full coverage. See that? Are you seeing that? So guys, look, I have this much left on my hand. It may not seem a lot here, but it's a lot. Usually I would have just used some wipes to get rid of it, but I'm tired of wasting foundation, you guys. So I'm just gonna go over my face with the brush, trying to put everything in. Not that I need it, but I don't want to waste it. So you guys, I'm going to go in with this She Glam concealer. You know what? I'm not going to go in with it last. But I'm going to highlight my face using this She Glam concealer. Honestly, guys, the shade is not written on it, which makes it hard for me to know which is, because I bought 3 of them. And the shade is not on, it's on the packaging, but not on the actual product, and I don't like it like that. I honestly may not like it. So here are both shades, you guys. This one is for somebody pink. This one can work for me, but I have to use a tad bit, you guys, and trust me, a little goes a long way. So I'm just gonna use this much. Don't look at the quantity, you guys. Trust me, when y'all shall see, like, this ish is the truth. This will do the do. Or FYI, you guys, it dries down fast, so we have to work it in as quick as possible.
This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just
So here it is, you guys.
peace and love and happiness. We come together to
You see, you don't need a lot, you guys. Just a little bit goes a long way. And now I'm going to go in with this concealer, you guys. This is the shade coffee, some coffee name, and to do. You guys, I'm using my Fenty concealers in banana and honey, and I'm going to use it, guys, to set my face. So I have my damp sponge, you guys, and I'm dipping into both product, blowing off the excess. Here we go. Dipping back in again, guys, blowing off the excess, and set again. Setting the tip of my nose and my forehead.
yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around.
And you guys, because we're doing a black smoky eye look, we're going to bring down the smokes, some of the smokes, to a bottom lash line. And to do this, I'm using my LA Colors brow slash eyeliner pencil slash, okay? Just in case you're wondering what I just said. Now I'm going to take this Morphe number 2 brush. I got it from a set. I don't remember the name of it. And I'm going back into the Tarte palette and taking out the shade Last Call, which is the shade that I've used on the top portion of my face, you guys. And I am just trying to smoke it out a little bit down here. Guys, you know that sometimes God deliberately blesses you in front of your enemies so that they can see that you are His. Did you know that? Anyways, you guys, I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place Fume palette. It's the Blush Rogue Volume 1, and I'm going to take this orangey, you know what, this orangey shade, and just a little bit of this one, but mostly this, and blush up the face, warm up the face, you know. What's on this brush? Look what it did to my palette, you guys. Something's on it that's not supposed to be. But can you guys see that? The little subtle warmth it's giving the face. Come on, you guys. I am living for this. I love it. I love it, you guys. I do. Now that it's boiling down to the face, you guys, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty lip contour in the shade Rich Brown to line my lips. You know what? I need to go find that orange lipstick first. Give me a second. Let me go find one. So you guys, I found this Revlon Hyper Matte Ultra HD Matte Lip Mousse, and it's orange, but it looks, I'm assuming it's going to look red on camera. I don't know why. See? Does it look orange? So that's the one I am going to use for my lips today. So let me just line them lips. My garage door is opening. I know someone's coming home. So that's the pencil, you guys. Let's try the lippy. I'm kind of scared. Told you it looks red. Why is it looking red though? It is orange. It looks red, you guys. I have to go find something with more orangey, with a more orangey tone to it. Give me a minute. So guys, I found this Sephora lippy. It's orange. I'm going to undo it, take this off, and then we'll go again. So guys, oh my god, I thought I was recording all along, all the while I wasn't. I went into this shade, guys, in the palette, Confetti, this shade right here, and this is what I put here. And I was saying that I went into the LA Pro concealer. That's what I have on my lip, you guys, because the lipsticks weren't doing what they were supposed to. I'm not done finishing the lip yet, but let's just do this first. So you guys, I'm going back into the palette and I'm just going to bring some highlight up here. It's the same shade that I use for my inner corner, you guys. I'm not really feeling my brows today, but I'm not going anywhere. So you guys, because I'm not gonna go outside, I don't have to contour nor finesse them brows. But what I'm going to do though, I am going to fix my hair and maybe change the top and come on right back. I didn't set my face. I could let that slide because I'm not going anywhere, but for you, I will. I have this Forever Perfect Fix. It's a Dior setting spray. I've never used it before. It says it's a long wear, fresh setting spray. So I'm going to try it for the first time today. So this is it out of the package, you guys, and I'm going to spray the face. Yo, it smells good. Good. I'm gonna be real with you though. I had to pause the video, guys, because I was coughing and sneezing like crazy.